Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2013 Mazda 5. I'm going to show you how to replace the driver's side rear, left rear window motor. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. Door panel remover, two different types. Phillips screwdriver, 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/4 inch extension, 10mm socket, and dielectric grease. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a left rear, driver's side rear power window motor. I'm going to be using an ACI brand. Okay, if you hear this, that means inside of your power window motor there's some plastic gears that's stripped. So you need to replace the whole motor. So first I'm going to be removing this panel. There's a few clips, you just got to pry it out. So this lock, put it forward. Now we're going to be removing this plastic piece. It's just popped on. So removing this electrical connector, just push this button and pull it out. So there's two Phillips screws, one here and one here. We're going to be removing that. Okay, so now we're going to be prying out this panel. There's a bunch of clips right around here, right around the bottom of the door, and right up the back side of the door. So we got to pull the panel out and then lift it up and then take it off. So I opened up the sliding door, got it all the way towards the back. So now I'm going to be prying out the panel. So now I'm going to be lifting up the door panel and remove it. So I'm going to be removing this motor. There's 3 bolts, 10mm bolts I got to remove. So pull this motor out. Disconnect my electrical wire, push this button down and pull it out. Okay, so I'm going to be putting on some dielectric grease in my connector. Okay, connecting the motor. And putting back the motor. You just got to line up the gears. Screwing it back on. Okay, so before we put back the panel, I want to make sure this window works. So I'm going to be connecting my switch. So make sure you get the ignition key turned on and then operate your window. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to be putting back the panel. So I'm going to be putting on the door panel. Just hook it on the top and snap it in. Putting back the Phillips screws. Going to be connecting my switch. But I'm going to put some dielectric grease right in this connector first. Okay, connecting the switch. Snapping back in my panel. Putting this panel on. Okay, and you're good to go. So that's how you replace a driver's side rear, left rear power window motor. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.